Hi, my name is Natalie and I am from the P&J family. Whether you like to work out or not, sometimes you just get those really sore muscles. So today we are going to make this magnesium whipped body butter with the brown sugar fragrance. Magnesium can help those sore muscles and alleviate that pain, and also helps you sleep better. Overall, it's just great for your body. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it. We hope that you liked this craft. Now, go get that workout in. And if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel. Thanks.